Hello guys, I'm SW and this is my first time for using my mic. And sorry for that, I'm not good at English a little bit, so if you don't know what am I talking about, or if you have some question for me, just ask anything to me. By the way, I was too lazy for 3 months, so I'm so sorry about that, but I recently restarted it again, and here's what I did. First, I made 2 UV maps for clothes as outer part and the inner part. The first UV map contains the red outwear and beret and the shoes. And the second UV map contains the white dress and the socks with the frills, and of course there's a page. And the last job was the painting texture, but I'm not done yet. This was the basic of the shade, so I need to add some more details. So that's it. That's what I did for 3 months. Anyways, thanks for watching my video, and see you on the next time. This video is so cringe, don't subscribe to this channel.